In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Hit OK in welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. Now to set it up, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down a tiny bit to hit Edit. Scroll all the way down and add Caffeine shortcut thanks to this plus at the top right corner of it. Swipe up, hold your shortcut and place it wherever you wish. When you're done, use this icon of a checkmark at the top right corner to save your changes. Now it's time to click on Caffeine shortcut. Use gray switcher next to allow modifying system settings. Go back and tap on the same shortcut again, this time to activate it. If you wanna switch it off, click on the same one until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!